knowledge. Hello everybody, the weather is hot and humid, and we're going to see whether these clouds are going to turn into some sort of a storm. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. Filming storm clouds. Lake Shirley is a fantastic place before a storm. Good evening, sir. Now it seems we have two different storms. We have a storm in this direction, and if we move we have a storm in this direction. This seems more proximal. They've been building up for a while. So it's kind of like it's definitely a scattered shower situation, or scattered, I don't know what kind of storm it is, but there's definitely all the indications with the wind slowly picking up that it's going to be something tonight. Now here's the other cloud. Yeah, you can see the flashes. So we're in City Park collecting footage. It looks fantastic on the lake though, in terms of a vista. I mean, couldn't really ask for anything better right now for people who like storms. I mean, in terms of seeing spectacular lightning. So I'll be able to see, it almost seems to an extent that well, I don't know if these two storms are closing in on each other, but there's definitely something interesting forming. I'll stick around to see exactly what happens. That cloud looked interesting, so I decided to just take a film of that. Still incredible lightning though here. Some of the best lightning I didn't even actually capture on footage. Yeah, a lot of great stuff here. It's kind of strange because I'm gonna get on my bike, but I'm missing some of the actual best footage because, I mean, there's two distinct storms. Oh, as I was saying, there are two distinct storms, so I mean, I really can't capture all the great lightning from both of them, and as it continues to pick up, it does seem like they're starting to sandwich together. But it's really fantastic. Oh. This cloud really is fantastic now. This one over here. I think the other storm's moving away. One second. I have to quickly put more batteries into this thing. Yeah, I think that cloud's going to be the one that actually brings us some some rain or something like that. That looks pretty impressive. Pretty impressive for what we got now. Now, looking back here, well, that's not really, I don't know what that, okay. Over here, there's also some great, I'm missing some of the best. It's like every time I turn, there's lightning, like better lightning on the other side. Okay, I missed it over there, and now I'm going to try to turn back. It's, okay, I missed it again. It's quite interesting to, it's quite interesting, I think, to see two distinct storms forming, and then there's like a middle ground here where there's like just a blue sky. Well, I'm above clouds too, but there's no lightning where I am. Oh, sorry. There's no lightning where I currently am, even though there are like dark clouds. I mean, there are somewhat dark clouds here. Over there, there's lightning. Quite intense lightning, and over here there's also quite spectacular lightning. Okay, I'll just stay here till my batteries run out, and then I'll put some more batteries in, and I'll get on the way home and see if I can get a better view of the storm from a distance. I don't know exactly where the storm's going. It's like it's kind of standing still, waiting for something. Take a look at that really fast. Okay. Wow, so that's some spectacular lightning, and I'm missing the lightning over here. This cloud does this camera doesn't really capture how great the lightning looks when it actually happens. And I'm looking at it actually in live. Oh wow, I'm looking at it live, and then I'm looking at it on the camera, and they doesn't look the same. I mean, here it looks like almost like when you see it on the camera. Oh crap, mosquitoes are everywhere. Oh, mosquitoes are everywhere, by the way. It's just, oh crap, they're all over me. Yep, so we have a lot of mosquitoes. Wow, there are an incredible number of mosquitoes here, even though like it's, but yep. The storm thing, it seems like the lightning happens at pretty predictable intervals, whereas this one seems kind of more erratic. There'll be like a delay, and then there'll be like an incredible amount of flashing. I mean, I've kind of found a certain... Okay, given that the weather's getting colder because it's at night, it might actually start to build up now. Okay. Okay. Well, the lightning's pretty spectacular. Okay, so... And the lightning doesn't look very good on this particular camera. I guess it's a pretty lower end camera, so you can't really see how great the lightning is. Whatever. I mean, you can get an idea how it looks. I don't know, I still don't know where this storm's going. I mean, it's still amazing that above me, it's like above me there's clearness and there's like blue. I mean, there's no real clouds, and then on both directions you have this, on both directions you have this great view of lightning and storm, but no thunder. I kind of noted that right now that I have not really heard any real thunder. Okay, now I hear something. Well, maybe that could be a plane. But I have not heard thunder compared to how much lightning there's been. I mean, there's an incredible amount of lightning and not very much thunder. Or hardly any thunder. I haven't heard anything that really approaches verifiable thunder. It could be just a plane or something. Okay, now I hear geese in the background or such. Okay, wow, this is really getting great now. Okay, I guess I'm going to leave the park and then see what develops from here. There might be a better vantage point to see both of these storms from one single point. Although I doubt it. I mean, given the speed I can actually move at, I probably can't get to a better point. I mean, then... Alright guys, I'll keep you posted once I get out of the park. And I am now leaving the park. Whoa, that's kind of interesting. Oh, wow. Okay, that's very interesting. I gotta probably get on it. It's probably not what I first thought it was. Well, it just started to rain. That's not good because if it's like this, it's probably going to really rain now. I got to get out of here. Okay, it was raining incredibly and it kind of let up. Probably shouldn't take the time that the rain lets up to... I don't know if the rain's let up, so I'm just going to keep riding. I don't want to start admiring the lightning and the storm, even though I like that stuff. I mean, absolutely fantastic. I've never seen anything like that. I didn't catch it before or after. It was like it was a teal. The sky turned gray, it turned white, and then it turned teal. Never seen something that I've never seen something that fantastic. It was a gray, white, and then it turned teal instantly. None of none of these clouds, like, none of this lightning looks anything like that one flash for like a split second that happened. I mean, well, it only happened one time. Okay, I'm gonna try to